What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Back at it again. So, let's start with that open range, the 15-minute open range strategy that I love to use. We had a high of 16,874. We had an open range low of 16,839. Now, right here, I drew this line because this was actually our pre-market low. So when we actually broke below this open range support, I wanted to see if we were going to bounce off this pre-market low, and that we did, and we actually ended up making a full recover right here. So if any of you guys got in on that, congrats to you. But we got rejected not once, not twice, but three different times at this open range high at 16,874. We did make a lower high right here at 16,853. Now, even though I got like the most perfect setup, that break, that open, we hit a new low, and we actually went to retest. We actually went to go test the new resistance and validate it, which it did. Pulled back down, hit a new low, but then it bounced off and had a strong recovery, had a nice really push right here. One thing I do want to make clear is I want to actually show you guys this 5 minutes, so give me 1 second. Because I want you guys to see what I saw when I was trading. So as it broke below that open range support, as you can see in this candle right here, this candle right here, and even these two, every single time we would make a new low, it would just get rejected right away. Like the moment we made the new low, buyers would just push it right back up. Same right here. Even right here, when we made a new low on the day right here and right here, I mean, look at it. Buyers just stepped in and were just way more aggressive. I think it was around like 10:15, 10:30 where I called. I sort of told myself, I was like, you know what? I really wouldn't be surprised if NASDAQ does a full-blown recovery, and that it did. So because I wanted to trade so badly, but I also really wanted to be careful with how choppy market direction can be the day before the CPI reports, I did trade a micro, and I only made $10. So, nothing real big on the day. I had to scratch my itch, I know it sounds bad, but, when you get that most perfect setup and, it's like, last week when I saw that the CPI was coming out this week, I sort of started telling myself, hey, it's okay not to trade on Wednesday. It's okay not to trade on Wednesday. It's perfectly okay. You're going to live. And I just, today came and I saw perfect direction. We hit a lower high right here, break below that moving average in that EMA. And then we had a break below and open below that open range. We had a test it. It tested that new resistance, and validated it and just went back to hit a lower low. So this is actually where I went short at. I got out after like a minute or two, made $10. Nothing big on the day. Now tomorrow I'm just gonna pull it up for you guys. For the CPI report tomorrow, it comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and so does the core CPI. It looks like prior for the CPI, we was 0.1%. We're expected to be at 0.2. So I'm definitely curious to see if we're going to come in better than expected or worse. We also have the initial claims and the continuing claims at 8:30 a.m. And then we have the Treasury budget at 2 p.m. And then on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we have the PPI and the core PPI. Sorry, but yeah, just really wanted to show you guys just like a little bit of a market breakdown. I don't even really consider it a trade just because I just had my mind so much set on the fact that market direction was going to be choppy. And it was pretty choppy, in my opinion, for the first like good 2 hours of the market being open. As you can see, even though we did break around above that open range resistance, we didn't really stay above it that long, probably about 15, 20 minutes, broke below, got rejected for a little bit, broke above again, broke below it. So I would say about the first 2 hours, really, market direction really wasn't like ideally clear. It wasn't clear as day. Like I said yesterday, I really was only going to trade if market direction was absolutely clear, because yesterday I did make a trade, and like I said, I considered it a red day, even though I made $170 because I got into a trade when market direction was unclear. But yeah, that's really it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow.